Purpose and overview. The Kansas Performance Teaching Portfolio is a validated word sample model designed for that teacher education candidate to demonstrate content and pedagogical competency. I will consider to feel comfortable designing a unit of study including lesson plans and assessments, and deliver that unit of study to a group of students implementing appropriate adaptations to meet their diverse cognitive and social needs. I use assessment, informal, formal, formative, summative to guide adaptations and demonstrate reflective practice. Selecting unit of study means choosing a topic that is aligned to Kansas State academic standards and is age and developmentally appropriate. Making selections continued. Integration of reading strategies to promote students' understanding. Integration of technology to facilitate students' learning. Integration within and across content fields with the goal of extending student learning and fostering a deeper understanding of the content. Utilization of resources in the school and broader community. Objectives needs to be aligned with state academic standards and be graded level appropriate. Assessments needs to be aligned with the learning objective. One of the concerns of this study is selecting class. Selecting a class that includes a diverse population with a range of achievement levels, exceptionalities, and or cultural or linguistic backgrounds. My classroom have different backgrounds. It's really a challenge teach them and try to understand the different cultures they have and align all these, address all these different backgrounds to the process to be learning. I am sure since I have different background students, my assessments and classes needs to be addressed in different angles. Some students has the ability to learn fast. Other students learn on their own. One of the strategies that I am applying in the classroom is giving the opportunity each student can choose different class. So I prepare my handout for all the week and I go to the student, I ask before I start the class, what handout you want to work. So by this way, I can see students making progress and be focusing in my class. So the last question is, how this course can help me with the Kansas Performance Teaching Portfolio. So I will say, research is an important resource for any teacher. I always try to research and look for different material, lesson plans. I try to innovate in my classroom all the time and make my class exciting. So I try to do, for example, one day we are working in grammar, other day writing, other day reading, other day conversation, class activity. My students like a lot class activity. We are implementing technology. We are using computers here in the classroom. Uh, uh, we are lucky because we have a computer lab in front of my classroom, so sometimes we go there, and we have projects. They write ebooks, you know. They have been creating a website as well, which is really interesting. So I could see my students make progress using technology.